Welcome aboard Regent 7 Seas Splendor, where luxury meets the open ocean. If you've ever dreamed of an ultra-luxury cruise with spacious suites, gourmet dining, and every detail included, this is it. As we share our stunning suite tour, let's make sure you get the best experience when booking your luxury cruise. Prince Adventures helps discerning travelers select the right ship, itinerary, and time of year to take your first or next Regent cruise. We help ensure you get a bonus and exclusive amenities tailored to you. Want to know how? Email travel@princeadventures.com today and set up a complimentary discovery call, and we'll handle the rest. Now, let's explore what makes a stay on Regent Splendor unlike anything else. This is a Serenity suite, Suite 906. Every suite on Regent Splendor is ocean-facing with a private balcony, so whether you're sailing through the Mediterranean, Caribbean, or throughout Asia, you'll have an unobstructed front row seat to the world. And the best part? Everything is included. That means unlimited shore excursions, premium beverages, specialty dining, gratuities, even business class flights when purchased with your cruise. No hidden costs, just effortless indulgence. You'll not experience nickel and diming, and we help navigate to ensure that the one price you pay is the total price. No hidden costs or surprise fees. Booking a luxury cruise is more about than just choosing a ship. It's about crafting the perfect journey. At Prince Adventures, we don't just book cruises, we curate experiences. We plan your stay before and after your cruise and help you select the right back-to-back itineraries for when you're ready to indulge in a longer journey. Perfect for those long-distance trips from home. We help you select the right itinerary, suite category, and sailing dates to maximize your value. Plus, our clients receive our exclusive Virtuoso benefits like onboard credits, private car transfers, or even suite upgrades. We get you perks you won't find booking directly. This suite is pure elegance with a king-sized elite slumber bed, a spacious sitting area, and a walk-in closet. Your marble-appointed bathroom features high-end amenities, making every moment of your stay feel like a 5-star experience. Almost all suites have both a shower and a tub, and all suites do have a walk-in closet. Suite sizes range all the way up to 4,400 square feet or 400 square meters. And because Regent includes unlimited shore excursions, we also help you handpick the best private experiences or group experiences, whether it's truffle hunting in Tuscany, sightseeing in Japan, or a helicopter tour over the Norwegian fjords. If you're ready to experience the most all-inclusive luxury cruise line in the world, let's make it effortless. Email travel@princeadventures.com today to set up your complimentary discovery call and start planning your perfect voyage with Regent 7 Seas. Your luxury cruise awaits, and Prince Adventures is here to make it unforgettable. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe.